All right, this week we actually have some movement in rates, which is pretty exciting, and it's not in the upward direction. So we've had some rate drops. So you'll see in our rates for this week that bank rates have pretty much dropped about 20 basis points across the board, and agency rates have dropped 40 basis points across the board. So that's really exciting news. And to be frank, this is not in correlation to treasuries. Treasuries have not dropped that much, but lenders are hungry for business. And also, I think that they've done this partially in the anticipation that the Fed is backing off on their increases. They're not as extreme as they were. So we're anticipating 25 basis point increase and possibly more of those for the next handful of months before hopefully we don't raise them anymore. So this is really great news. I saw a funny thing today on the news that I have noticed that stocks have rallied too all month. So pretty much right after the first of the year, stocks started rallying. So it says that the S&P 500 had the biggest rally since January 19th. 2019, and that was back when Corona was just a beer and not a virus. So I thought that was kind of a funny joke. But this is all good news for us on the residential side. Kenny is noticing that, there's multiple offers on properties. People are not getting their offers accepted because they're getting beat out. So a little bit of this is coming back just with a slight drop in rates. And we do anticipate that we will see some more rate drops a little later this year. So we watched a good interview or a good talk by Barry Habib. He has a ton of really great data. He owns MBS Highway. It's a paid subscription kind of newsletter that's all things mortgage. But Barry said, circle May 10th on your calendars. This is when we think that rates might turn the other direction. So they will start going down even more. So on the residential side, they're anticipating seeing rates in the fives pretty soon. And I think that means for us in apartments that we might actually see some rates with a 4 in front of it. Might be high 4s, low 5s. We're already very close to that kind of like low 5% range. So I think that's going to help get the market moving, get some more traction, and that's all good news for everyone. So have a great week. If you have any scenarios you want me to take a look at, feel free to reach out, email me, call me. Let's jump on a Zoom, whatever's easiest for you. Thanks so much.